Hi, this is your option trading coach and a mentor. Just kind of wanted to share my profit on Home Depot, you guys. So on the 21st of October, I set up a option trading on a down market right here. And I made $11,000 in 6 business days. Now, because I just closed on that down trade on the Home Depot, I quickly set up up trade. So I set that up trade, and I don't know if you could see my computer or not, probably not too well. But on the up trade, I'm already making $11,570, you guys. And I set that up, let's see, I think like 2 minutes before the market closed. So yeah, yes, let's see, 21st, today's the 25th. So like 4 days. In 4 days, I'm making 11,570. So way back in 2017, when I did my live account, I only made $178,000 only. That's ridiculous. I made a fantastic $178,000. My goal is to make $30,000 to $100,000, way above beyond my goal. And I didn't know how to do a down trade. I only focused on up trade because I was just new. And my first year doing a live trading, 2016, I did my virtual. I got to test drive it. So I decided to, at some point, like sooner or later, you guys really start to, do it with the live account. So I did that. I, transitioned from virtual to live account in 2017. And I made pretty good money just doing up trades, made money when the market went up, and market was pretty good back then. But now we know, as we're facing or going through recessions, depends on who you talk to, that we're going through the recession, or some people say we're not, or we're about to face recession. But now I've been doing well with the down trade as well. So that's the reason why I said, for example, is that Home Depot in 6 business days, making 11,000 on the down market, and then turn around and set up an up trade, and in 4, basically, I would say about 2 business days, because weekend doesn't count. So yeah, 2 business days, I am making $11,695. That is crazy. Now I still have how many days do I have left here? Okay, it looks like I still have 10 days left, but maybe I want to close today. Let's take a look. We'll look at the Home Depot. And Home Depot, the highest is 292.13 on 1, 5, and 10 day. And right now is 290.91. It's almost 291. So I want this to go up to 292.13. That's the highest, and I got 10 days left. And so I may want to close it because I got only like 10 minutes until market closes. So I may just take my profit of making 11,720 right now, because market is still open and it's moving. So if you want to know my specific unique miracle system strategies that I came up with, that I studied with a lot of frustrations and I don't know, like disappointments and curiosity and all that, when I was studying it in 2016, because I did that whole year, because I just got done retiring 2015 in December, and came January 2016, I had no job to go to because I just retired. So I did that as like a hobby, because everybody retires and they're like, oh, I want to do so many different things, or I want to stay busy. So whatever the reasons, I decided to practice what I learned, which is option trading, and first took it as like a hobby, and I liked it, and I thought, wow, I could just stay home and just do this hobby, making virtual money. But then I was doing so well because I studied it. And I thought, well, I'm just going to do this part-time. So then I started doing part-time and I was making good money. So then I thought, wow, I could do this full-time. So I did that full-time and taught my kids. And then, start teaching clients the things that I know that help me to make money, to, create my own dream life. So I'm helping somebody else, some other clients to create their dream life. And now that I'm so good at it, I just went back to part-time, meaning that I used to do this every day to make money, but now I just do it like once a week. Once a week to set up my trays and then just preset my closing order. But I do my homework every day. It just takes like 2 to 3 minutes. Depends on how many trades or companies that I work with. It might take like 5 minutes to write everything down, but it's on the platform. And so that means like, I set my trades either Monday or Tuesday. Depends. Sometimes it's Wednesday too. But because I'm dealing with the down markets, which is advantage to me because I can make just as much money as doing an up trade. And so I'm so glad that I took the time to really, really study. Of course, I learned this through option trading educational classes that they offered way back in 2014 when I decided to retire. I was having a conversations and I decided to prepare. What am I going to do when I retire? How am I going to stay busy? What am I going to live on? Because I have no money in my savings or checking account. And I know that I retire early enough, as far as age-wise, I can even touch my retirement. Sure, I had a 401k pension plan with my company, but I couldn't touch it until I become, 65 or older and not having any emergency money saved up. But I was determined to retire. So it's really, really important to prepare yourself what you're going to do so you don't end up going back to corporate world, slaving away for the company and let the company be rich off of kind of work that you do. So if you're going to work really hard for the company, might as well work really hard for yourself as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, and you could keep all the money to yourself, you guys. That is the key. Anyway, be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and get some ideas. But if you're really, really, really having a hard time, this, high inflation, just contact with me. Let's see what we could do to, help you solve your problems. And perhaps maybe we could even start creating your dream life. Be out of debt. Be financial free. All right? I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.